tuned in for an important message from Washington, D.C. at the close of our program. Now, here is the Amos and Andy Show with their guest tonight, Charles Boyer.
Honey, I admit that I done hear me call to love 2 or 3 other times in my life, but now I know.
Sit down. You've come to take the valley job, no?
I done come to take the valet job yet.
Well, I think you will do, Andrew.
Little plant is going all overboard. I think I need to begin to cut. Maybe this one has to go away. It has one pepper there. Cut this one lower, and this one didn't progress too much because the other one. So it's coming to the point that I have to. All this is because see. No, now I need to clean all the dry leaves. But anyway, I will do this right now. It is part of my cleaning today. Let's get this really quick. So now I need to put the light a little lower, and I cut part of the root because it was taking way too much space, and the water was like one day and it was gone. So I also vacuum here because everything was falling, so let's put that one a little lower. Better, and I will try to keep in that high maximum. Maybe I will cut just a little more. I know that I have some growing coming there, but I need to go over the height that I have right now, because it's more like damaging also the plants. I have a lot of little buds, like little flowers and everything. I will leave those. And also the one that I cut a lot, it has some little branch coming there. It will be good. Okay, let's finish this.